What we're going to look at in this recording is how we can write a quadratic function given 3 points. So we're going to start on page 164. So before you continue with your recording, turn to that page and you're going to fill out the information. We are going to start with question 4, so make sure you're there. All right, we're going to consider the quadratic function whose graph passes through the points 1, 2, 3, 0, and 5, 6. So we will write an equation by substituting the point 1, 2, so we'll start with that one, and we're going to put it back, we're going to put it into the standard form. Remember that in this case, x is 1 and y is 2, so it's just subbing back in. So y equals will be the 2 equals, now replace your x, so that would be a, x is 1, so that would be 1 squared plus b times the 1 plus the c, and then that would give us 2 equal 1 squared is 1 times a, so that would just be a, b times 1 would just be b, and plus c. Okay. We're going to continue to do that now with 0.30. So subbing in again, so we would get our y of 0 equal to the a times the x of 3 squared plus the b times the 3 plus the c. Cleaning that up, 3 squared is 9, so that would be 9a. b times 3, that would be 3b, and plus our c. The last one, I think you're probably getting the hang of this one, and let's do this one. So we get y of 6 equal to, we're going to put the 5 in for x, so x squared would be 25. So 25a plus the 5b plus the c. So now, if you'll look and see what we have, I'm going to come back up here. We actually have 3 different equations. 3 equations and 3 unknowns, which are our a, b, and c. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to our calculators and we're going to set up a matrix. So go over to the next page. On number 7, we are going to put all those together. So our first one, was a plus b plus c equal to the 2. Our second equation was 9a plus 3b plus c equal to 0. And our last one was 25a plus 5b plus the c equal to 6. And let me make my 0 look a little better here. All right. So now what we're going to do, we have 3 rows and 4 columns. So now we have a 3 by 4 matrix. And now you're going to go to the calculator and you're going to enter those in. A couple of reminders. Remember that in the sketchpad you will add the calculator, and then what you will do is you will go to your matrix. Okay. Remember that we do number 5, which is the row reduced. Okay. Don't forget you still have your worksheet from last semester on how to work those steps. And then once you go to RRF, then you have to go to your symbol. Remember your symbol button. Change that 3 by 3 to your 3 by 4. And remember, when you enter in your data, remember all you enter in are the coefficients. Work together on this. I know some of you will have your paper to do that. Now, once you substitute those in, I want you to stop the video, put those in, work it out, and then turn the video back on. So once you did that, you should have gotten your A is 1, your B equal to -5, and your C equal to 6. If you did not, look within your group, look at their matrices and see what you have done, your mistake, and correct it. And then your last step here is number 9. We substitute those values of A, B, and C back into the standard form. So that would give us y equals, our A is 1, so that would be 1x squared. And then our B is -5, so that would be -5x, and our C would be +6. Okay? And then what I want you to do is I want you to go to question 10. I want you to go back to your calculator, graph it, and I want you to sketch it on number 10 for me, and I want you to confirm that it is passing through the points 1, 2, 3, 0, and 5, 6. Once you are done with this, you are going to turn to page 166, and you are going to work on 14 through 19. And I will see you guys next week. If you have any questions, shoot them off to me on Edmodo if I'll be in my meeting, but if I can answer that, I will. Alright, so I went ahead and wrote down the classwork here so you know what you are to be accomplishing. Please make sure that your calculators are put back up for me, and you guys have a great weekend.